Welcome to Small Scale Fluids 235, a course that offers a unique approach to creating small-scale fluids specifically designed for macro-style shot sequences in production. In this two-session live course, students will delve into various concepts including good surface tension approaches, custom fluid simulation control, and workflow techniques and hacks. Topics include project setups, do's and don'ts, flip settings, emissions and variable viscosities, basic forces, working with collision objects for optimization, meshing, advanced use of forces, VDB techniques, fluid bending, and lookdev using render engines like Redshift and Karma. You leave this course with a better understanding of flip simulations for unique shot cases, including the advantages and disadvantages inherent in these scenarios. Additionally, you will learn valuable workflow practices utilized by me in my client work. At the end of the course, you'll be ready to apply these new skills to real-world projects.